Okay. Departure. We shall leave from Texarkana to Austin. This is the first time Steph and I have recorded each other off our Sennas. I have the Senna Pro and she has the Momentum, and we put the 10C action camera on the side there.
Yes.
So we're recording audio and video. First time, both of us.
Yeah, I'm recording.
And I'm recording. And we both got the dark lens.
Yes.
You like that?
I do like it, even with my sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I do too.
Yeah.
I do. Okay.
Hey, their courthouse is cute.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, check this out. Oh,
Okay.
It's a dealership, huh? Man.
Yeah.
Neat. The hell is in that? I don't know. What's up, man? Big truck, little dude, 4 doors, 1 person. Nailed it. We're heading toward Austin for the R.O.T Rally. R.O.T. So it's bigger than most because everything in Texas is supposed to be bigger. And we're going to Austin where everything's supposed to be weird. So it should be big and weird.
So we just went through Dallas. What'd you think?
Traffic sucked. Not only that, when we got through Dallas, we're heading down through here. What is it on? Like 35 East or something. I don't know what we're on now. But there was a ladder in the road. So it was a fold ladder, unfolded, in the middle lane. And we're coming up on it, and there was a car beside us, and I had to just kind of lean over and miss it. Got on down the road, and there was an extension ladder out. Somebody was moving it off the road. So, a little excitement. What I like to do, I like to go to the closest gas station and suck up some oil. Yummy.
Yeah, we're gonna go in between these big trucks. Ooh, the old bike sounds good in here. Boom, boom.
Yeah, we're gonna check out Austin and see if it holds up to its title, huh?
Yeah, I'm excited. Steph and I, neither one have been to Austin. We have talked about it for years, but we end up going to usually New Orleans.
So we actually cut down South Arkansas, down through Little Rock, then cut over to Texarkana, coming into Texas from this way on I-30. And I've got to say, the roads are horrible. So we're going to grab lunch at TJ's Burgers.
TJ's Burgers.
That sounds fitting.
Yes. TJ's Burgers.
Did you know that you had a burger place?
Well, they had contacted me a few months ago, but I didn't know if they went through with it.
Yeah. It looks like they did.
Yeah.
I mean,
and
they even spell your name the same.
Yeah, I was worried if they would misspell that. That was my first worry, is misspelling of TJ.
Yes.
Hey, should we stop there and make a round?
Sure. Cowboy, Harley-Davidson.
Cowboy, Harley-Davidson. I think we ought to go check that out.
All right, sure.
So I guess we exit up here somewhere. They're exiting on. I'm sure we make a loop or something.
Yeah, that's like a one-way thing, so I guess I can pull it up in GPS so we'll know which turn to go on.
Sounds good, Mama.
All right, we're taking 227, exit 227.
And there you go. That's a fine example. As we're rolling down the road, we just changed the course. And Steph is back there navigating, telling me where to go. I don't have to do anything but listen.
And what you're going to do is actually merge onto Interstate 35, which is kind of keeping to your right. And just like everything here in Texas, there's either backed up traffic because of construction or just really sucky drivers.
Yeah. Not saying that they're all Texas drivers down here. Like this one's from Nevada. Not saying Nevada is shitty drivers.
Well, he's got the wrong license plate.
We're just saying, you know. What do you think? We want to get in, out? Yeah?
At the Cowboy Harley-Davidson, I guess we're in Austin, really. I don't know. I'll have to look it up.
Yeah, right. So we thought we were just rolling by and we seen everything going on. So seen Law Tiger was here.
Yeah, we're in Austin.
Yeah, man. All right, let's go check this place out. Seemed cool rolling in.
Yeah, it's
Easy
nice
in
to
and
see
out.
a lot of people. I mean, it's a nice day out, and it's a good reason to be out today.
Absolutely. Super easy to get in and out. Got that big old Texas flag flying high. Ain't she pretty?
Yeah, and they're here just right off of I-35.
Right off of I-35. Oh, right on.
If you want to find a place to get a drink.
Yeah. Let's get something to drink. out of them.
Hey man, I follow you on YouTube and
Oh yeah?
yeah man, I thought it'd be pretty cool to
Tell everybody hi.
how's it going everybody?
What's your name?
Terrell.
Terrell, nice to meet you. I appreciate you following me. Who's this?
This is my fiance Megan.
Beyonce, when y'all get married?
To be determined.
Oh, I was just gonna let you know I am an ordained minister.
Oh shit.
I can marry you right now if you wanted to. Steph was just saying we need the cowboy hat that we found on Route 66 a couple weeks ago. Left it at home. I need me a sombrero. Need to get a sombrero.
Sweet. How old are you? 4? I love it.
Hey, I'm this. I got a couple of years on me. You like motorcycles? Who? Dad ride a motorcycle? You ride a Harley-Davidson? I ride a Harley. Wall Tiger? I know Wall Tiger. You know who Wall Tiger is? Are they what? I couldn't hear that. Oh yeah, no joke. We should jump on that. Yeah, fancy house. Hey buddy, anytime I want to shake your hand. I'll be seeing you out on the road one day, right? I'll see you out on the road one day, huh? Yeah. Oh man, thank you so much.
Yeah, it was your weekend.
That's super cool. What's up?
You know Ragnar Lothbrok?
Ragnar Lothbrok? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be Ragnar.
Hey.
Get your bike logs for free, so we can take tips.
Just like rebuilt it and shit. Yeah. Good.
Like every single road we've been on in the state of Texas is tore up and is having construction.
Yes. I mean, our GPS is even confused, which that doesn't take much, but still, it's done it 5 times. It'll take you off the interstate, and then
Take
you'll
it.
go around and run beside the interstate for a little bit, and you go back on the interstate. You're like, what the? But there's so much construction, like Steph said, I'm sure it's hard to stay up.
So we're headed to Johnny Roadblock's for the Between the Two Wheels podcast, to their studio.
Yes.
And we're going to do a little interview.
Yes. And more traffic.
So we've got Uncle Ken, Johnny Roadblock, Bike a Bird.
Aunt Faith, Johnny Turd Block, and
I still like Bike and Turd.
Bike and Turd. So Johnny Bowbrick. Johnny Bowblock. There we go. And then, of course, I'm the ordinary one. Oh, boy. I tell you what. Oh, okay. I'm popping a lid.
Yeah, me too.
And we're going to turn right on TPC Parkway sometime in the near future after these 722 cars get through this one red light.
ICP? Insane Clown Posse?
TPC.
Oh.
Holy mother of Batman. So I hit the quicker route a while ago.
Yeah.
And, bullshit. Holy shit, they're just now moving up there. I love how one car will take off and the other car is just sitting there. Probably Facebook or Instagram, of course.
Yeah.
Very important when you're sitting in traffic to check all your social media platforms. So therefore, you can hold up a whole line of 723 cars behind you. So you make sure you've got 22 likes on your last photo that you posted 4 hours ago, and maybe one comment of some so that's got something smart to say about your post. I think I just rambled a little bit. I'm letting a little hate out. And we'll sit here for another 22 minutes. I feel like just going zoom.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Could be sitting somewhere with a cold margarita, but nope. Dude, let us go. Holy shit balls. This is me venting. Shit, motherfucker. Get the out of the way, you stupid shit, motherfuckers. God, it takes forever for you fucking to let people go.
And
it's
we
hot.
can't add any of
My
that.
balls are fucking sweating. My butthole's sweating. Oh, okay, come on now.
Shut up, you freaking bird.
Those blackbirds are so loud. Last night, I heard them all night. Here he comes right there.
Yeah.
Big too, right over swinging shit on me.
Freaking messed
Son of
up,
a
too. His
bitch.
tail is all up.
Yeah, somebody kicked his for being too loud and annoying. Isn't this fun? Huh? Oh, let's go do a podcast. Ooh, yeah, sure. We'll come an hour and a half to do a podcast, set in the sun for 4 hours in a roadblock. Johnny Roadblock.
Today, we are christening our new studio and talking down.
Oh, all right. Starting this interview off nice.
Yeah, we are sitting down with TJ and Steph, the ornery one and the ornery squaw.
Fixing to just pull over there and shut the bitch off. Get off for a little bit.
Fixing to cut through that construction zone.
Yeah, cut through it. There's that police officer up there would love it, wouldn't he?
We can outrun him. He can't run as fast as we can ride.
Dude, you got to let this line go. Good God, it's blocked up all the way back over the hill now. Go, motherfucker. Funny, yesterday or the day before, I forgot that we had our Sennas on, and I was just singing my ass off, and I was like, oop, Senna's on, aren't they? She's like, yeah.
See, this is cool.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, I dig this. Oh, check them out.
Oh, yeah.
Fun stuff. Oh, man. Yeah. Big Papa Laka. Big Papa Laka, what do you see?
Yeah, very nice. Wow. I gotta say, all the Austin ladies are young. There's maybe a couple of older women over there. Everybody's young and
I don't know what
vibrant.
that is up on that building. It looks like a circus theme.
Wow, yeah. It's kind of glass-ish, glass-ish, classy.
So this is Congress Avenue.
Okay.
And is that the Capitol up there straight ahead? This is Congress Avenue, so
I-
that makes sense of Congress.
I would bet your ass on it. Oh, there's your sign.
Yeah, I love you so much.
All right.
It'd be cool if we had the bike right there and that in the background.
Wouldn't it? Lots of people there. Have to run them off.
Yeah, we could. The other stuff is on across the bridge.
Where's our place of dwelling?
On across the bridge.
Okay. Sounds good. Oh, wow. Cool. Oh, yeah, the Dunner kayaking. Oh, it's a good river, too. All right, boogie, flatboard. Boogie board. All right, man. They can do board yoga on those. Oh, very pretty. Very active. I love it. Everybody's out enjoying everything. Super cool. So yeah, on this Father's Day, we're heading over here, going to meet with them, and we're going to ride the hill country of Texas. I have not looked it up. I don't know a thing about it. I'm just going to follow their lead, and Steph and I are going to enjoy the experience and just cruise around. It does look a little rainish, doesn't it, hon?
It does. A little bit of dark clouds.
Well, it's pretty.
But we ride with rain suits, so we're prepared for anything.
Yeah, we've got rain suits. It ain't cold. What sucks is when you get cold weather and that moisture, whew, that's rough. And you're running 85 miles an hour. But we do it, and somewhat we enjoy it.
Yeah.
So road glide cuts through the rain pretty good in the wind. One thing I do love about Texas is they love to fly them flags. I like seeing Old Faithful blowing around. What's he doing? Oh, Atlas. What's up, brother? Got the whole world on his shoulders. And he's got some big shiny balls down below. And off we go. I hop. You hop, we hop. 700 feet. That's Outback. 400 feet. I think I see it.
Red and yellow up there.
10-4, good buddy. Here we come, rolling in. Oh, yeah. They got a gas station, too?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's like a country store.
Wow. What do you know? Wasn't expecting that. Is that the posse over there?
I think so.
The OGs?
Yep.
The bird OGs? Hi! Hi, boys! What are you doing? Everybody's happy?
I thought that was it. I could see it. Glad to see me on you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's a little one.
Where's the rest of it?
God.
I can't quench my thirst with this.
No joke. Get it started, huh? So what do you think of it?
I like it in here. This is the first place, or first time we've ever been here. So
Yeah, it's the first barbecue we've had since we've been in Texas. What the?
Alright, we got coleslaw, potato salad, the drink, the Coke, cheese, beans, and brisket. 24.30. Receiving the best. Is that you guys enjoy already?
Right there in front of us is a sexy newly wedded couple. They are into long walks beside recycle centers. He says he likes to spend most of his time working on motorcycles and bird watching. And she likes flannel shirts and people that like the same thing she does. They came together and made a super team, and they named their super team Viking Bird. Their logo is entertaining, with a motorcycle with one bird sitting on the back of it, with a circle around it, because the circle represents their love, and the circle doesn't have corners. It's just a continuous ring of love. And there we have Mrs. and Mr. Viking Bird. I'll put her first.
I noticed that.
I just want to ride the shit out of this mofo. Where did Johnny the Roadblock go?
He went the wrong way. I don't know.
Johnny the Roadblock, come back. We need you.
Johnny, are you out there?
Johnny, come in, Johnny. Well, it kind of reminds me of home. Got some branches on the top of the road. Nice shaded, cozy feel.
Oh yeah, this is pretty.
Yes. Oh yeah. Much, 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 much better. Yeah, very pretty. Oh. Roads are pretty good. A couple little potholes, kind of patch jobs on it. But, oh wow, that place is cool. Roadblock came out, and Tracy, his wife, she stayed home. She does weddings. She had a wedding yesterday. Roadblock said she didn't get home till 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, that makes a long day.
Oh, bless her heart. And now, yeah, so, and then, like I said earlier, Uncle Ken and his family are at the lake. Super cool. I called my dad earlier and wished him Happy Father's Day.
And I called my dad.
You called your daddy-o
and told him Happy Father's Day
as well. You want to know where we were at? My dad was like, "Where you at?" I said, "Austin." So at the house, right before we left, we had this big, gorgeous pigeon show up. And this pigeon has just been hanging out. And my mom and dad lived beside us. So he had just discovered that that pigeon was there. We were having pigeon talk. And I believe that is the conclusion of the hill country in Texas.
I think so.
Which it was a nice little ride with some spectacular views and amazing corners to enjoy while you were riding your bipedal moto carriage. Is a motorcycle bipedal? Bipedal's too, right?
Yes.
So we could call it a bipedal machine. But bipedal means feet, right?
I guess so.
Bipedal vlogger.
Yeah.
Bipedal machine vlogger. Now nobody's hashtagging that shit. Or rolling down the road on my bipedal machine. looking for trouble to get in. I'm the honored one. I'm the honored one. If you're looking for trouble, don't come my way, because I'll make you drink a chocolate milk. And if you are lactose intolerant, I will you up.